once again.
I am delighted to be here with you all to open this new subdivision project and celebrate the bold step your community is making to take full control of your destiny by opening up your land for your benefit and the benefit of the Fijian people. For 8 straight years, my government has grown the Fijian economy, and during that time, we've welcomed unprecedented investment to our shores and undertaken massive infrastructure development all across our islands. And I'm very happy to say the projections for where our economy is headed are nothing but promising. And we can expect more growth and more success for Fiji in the years to come. With growth comes opportunity, and communities need to be prepared to take full advantage of the opportunities that we are bringing to Fiji and to share fully in everything we are achieving together as one nation and one people. Good things don't come to those who wait. They come to those who prepare themselves to do well. And as the saying goes, success occurs when hard work meets opportunity. Well, the opportunities are here and they are rapidly growing. And with this project, your community has shown that you are ready to put in that hard work to find success. For that, you deserve to be commended. So congratulations on taking this big step towards a more prosperous future for your community. All across our islands, my government is carrying out vital work to widen the reach of infrastructure and services and assist every Fijian to become bigger players in our economy without discrimination and with full recognition of the ability and ingenuity of our citizens. Because it is my deeply held belief that we have men and women all over across Fiji who have been denied the means to find success for too long and who have limitless potential to build better lives for themselves if they are provided with a simple chance to do well as you are given today in Nambo. That is why I am so excited for this project, because it will go a long way in supporting that vision. By pursuing this development, you are not only empowering your own community, you are giving many more of our people the chance to benefit as well. You are opening up your land and realizing its full potential, paving the way for new development and new opportunities for Fiji and fellow Fijians. As our economy grows and we continue to raise standards of living throughout Fiji, the demand for new development will increase, particularly for new and better housing. And opening this land up to development will allow for the construction of new homes and help address issues of overcrowding that we've already seen in squatter settlements, and give more options to everyone in our housing market, to your benefit and the benefit of the Fijian people, who may one day lease this land and call it home. Ladies and gentlemen, what you are doing here, subdividing and developing your land, is inspiring for me to witness as your Prime Minister, because it shows your faith in Fiji we are all working to build. Your actions and your ambitions speak more strongly than I ever could about where our nation is headed. They show the strength of your community's faith in the new Fiji, and they rebuke, in the harshest terms, any suggestion that the future of our Tauke people is threatened or that their land is at risk. It is a sad reality that many still try and deceive many of our people and stall them into inaction with fear-mongering rumors and lies that their land will be taken away or that my government will allow them to be exploited. We know fully well none of that is true. And you've exposed that narrative for what it is by pursuing projects such as this and showing your confidence in the success of our nation and the protection we put in place for our Tauke people. The fact is, the Tauke people today operate from a position of strength unrivaled by any other time in our history. The land and rights of the Tokay are protected and enshrined for all time in the Fijian Constitution, the supreme law of the land that governs every action of my government. And there's never been a better time to develop Tokay land and resources to experience the full benefits of our growing economy. You've shown that it is you and you alone that will determine your destiny. You've shown that you are prepared to put in the work necessary to improve your lives and the lives of those around you. And you've shown that you aren't here to waste time listening to politicians tell you what to fear and what to do. You are here to be practical, to do well by yourselves and your children. And you are here to put in the work to secure yourselves a brighter future. So again, Turang Tuinambo and Nebusa, congratulations on this new subdivision. You all should be very proud. My government is proud of you as well because you put in a lot of work to make this project happen and you've shown real leadership in driving development for your community. We believe your hard work deserves recognition. And as I've said in the Tokay language, that is why I'm very excited to announce that we will pay on your behalf the first repayment of $437,000 and $400 of the total of $727,000 loan you've borrowed from the FDB to finance this project. We know this payment is outstanding and you are in default and I'm here to assist you. We'll be paying off the repayment out of the Tokay Land Development Allocation in the 2017-2018 national budget, an allocation that we have set aside to assist Tokay landowners to develop their own land and keep the benefits directly themselves, such as this project. This project, unlike the others that have been implemented from the beginning by government, under this initiative, has been developed by a community. We know you had initially applied for funding from my government, but you went ahead before the approval and took out a loan to start this project. So given these special circumstances, we are able to support your vision by financing this first loan repayment from Tokay Land Development Fund, as it meets the objective of the allocation to assist Tokay landowners to develop their land for their benefit. We're doing this because we believe in you. We believe in the example you are setting for every Tokay community, and we believe in the future you are working to create for yourselves and for every Fijian. I look forward to seeing your community continue to build up your land and make yourselves more economically and financially powerful. Keep up the good work. You have my government's full support. Now, we thank you and God bless you all.
Workplace. And I want to say thank you as well to members of the media. For those of you who might want to take photographs outside of the cutting of the ribbon, now is a good
Naka sana may kutsuko na rin may pagkatakil kinin dolan na sinibua project. Nita ka na nakuta may nabiba kulong ngatak wira kadarawang atak. Ito nakawaliw. Tunggu kana subdivision sa ngoko di sa sige na sa mo.
I actually requested my father in 1999 to allow me to use this piece of land for this particular purpose. Why? He asked me why. Our chiefly homes cannot be able to sustain its chiefly status and its chiefly roles if we are not provided with the wealth that we should have. With wealth, yes, the Bible says you can do a lot of things. But money should not become our boss. That was the reason why we developed this piece of land. It actually belonged to Matangali Rotoro, the Mataniponua Matangali for the chiefly home of Matamara. It is become extinct. The land is reverted to the Agusa Matamara. So we took it up. We think that the spin-offs, the benefits from this project will allow us to look after our Vanua, the people, not only the people of Natongan Rau, other neighboring districts. The much needed capital that our villages need to start off economic projects and subsidies.